Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite vacation tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for about a month now, and I just want to give everyone an update on my review of this beautiful device. But before I get into this review or video, check this out. Alright everyone, so I'm back with another video. Yes, I've been using the Galaxy Z Fold 3 for about a month now, or 4 weeks, however you want to call it, 30 days later. The great news is I got past the 21-day return period and it's still here. So if you own the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and you made it past the 21 days, give yourself a pat on the back. But in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the things I dislike about the phone and also the things I'm enjoying about the phone. I like doing these type of videos, giving an update. I don't know if you want to call it a review or not. You call it whatever you want it. I'm just giving everyone an update on my experience. So the things I dislike about it really haven't changed. First thing is this display in the front. No matter what, it's still small. It's skinny, it's just skinny and tall. It could be wider. Now the thing about the front screen though, is the more you use it, the more you get comfortable with doing so. I just wish they would make a wider screen on the next fold. I know I said it before, and I will keep on saying it. If you agree with me, let me know in the comments. If you don't, also let me know. I just wish the screen was a little bit bigger. But the more you use it, it actually becomes comfortable actually doing so, and you get used to it. You know, especially coming from a regular phone like this. So that's number one reason why, you know, I don't like the phone, or one of the dislikes about the phone, you know, I have. I won't say I don't like the phone. Another thing that I dislike or wish would happen is put this pen somewhere in the phone. I don't know, make it smaller, figure it out, Samsung. I think it would just be more like a Note series phone if this was actually in there somewhere and you could just, you know, pull it out. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Now the pen overall is great. When you're using it with the main screen here, it works great. You can do it pretty much what you do on a Note with this pen, but you just have to carry it some kind of way. The other thing about this pen, I wish the front display would be able to use it. You know, I don't know why they can't. The digitizer in there, maybe they can't get it to work. I don't know. But it would be great if you can use the pen on that front display too. And I got a couple comments about that too in my video, so a couple of us feel the same way. The last dislike I want to bring up is the under display camera. It's ugly. It doesn't work that well when you're taking photos or videos. Now, it does have a lot of cameras on there. You really don't have to use it. Maybe just take it away, period, and just use the one in the front. You know? Just give me a full screen here. I don't know what y'all think about it. The only problem with that is when you're trying to do video calls or Zoom or, you know, a meeting in Teams, Microsoft Teams, it actually works pretty good. You can get away with it. Nobody will have a problem if you're on Zoom on your Fold 3. But overall, that front camera doesn't produce the best pictures. I know they can improve the technology. Their first time trying, so kudos for them to actually try it. They just need to improve it a lot before, you know, really pushing that as a great camera. Okay, y'all, that was some things I dislike about the phone. Let's move on to some things I'm really enjoying about it. And the first thing I want to talk about is that beautiful display in front of you right there. Look at it. It is gorgeous. The 7.6-inch screen. It's amazing. Plus, you can do this. You go from that screen to this bad boy screen here. Man, and watching content on here, watching YouTube videos is great. Also, the speakers sound great too. So let me test out something really quick. All right, so I'm gonna play a video from my friend, the tech gentleman, Eric Kelly. Check out the video and then also the speakers.
Just want to do a slight comparison between these two. It's really comparing apples and oranges. I mean,
so the screen looks amazing. The speakers sound really good, as you could tell there. Man, what a phone right here. Look, watch, let's do this again. That is just amazing, y'all. I don't know I don't know what to tell y'all. If y'all don't have it, I recommend going pick up one and just get it in hands, and it will change your life. The question I get asked all the time, what about using the phone as a phone? Making calls, doing messages, and it's great. It actually works really good doing both of those things, acting like a regular phone. Sometimes I even talk on a speakerphone with the screen open like it is now. Or you just fold it up and talk like a regular phone. It's easy to send texts and messages and chat on Snapchat if you want to. It's every day using this as a phone, making speaker calls, you know, talking on the regular phone and the speaker, the earpiece is great. So if you're looking to get a regular phone, this actually works like a regular phone also, which turns into a tablet, by the way. All right, so the next thing I want to talk about and that I'm enjoying on this phone are the rear cameras on here. And that front camera on the front display is great too, but the rear cameras do a really good job with video, 4K at 60, 4K at 30. The photos, you know, are pretty good too. Are they pixel worthy? No. Are these the best cameras that Samsung offers? Actually, they're pretty close to it. I put it against the Ultra and it did not do bad against the Ultra either. So the cameras are really good too, but the phone folds open, y'all. So the cameras on here, I really do enjoy it. Like I said earlier, I did a bunch of comparisons. Y'all can check that out. I will have the links in the description there. All right, so the next thing that this phone does really well, it is a multitasking beast. You can open up 3 apps, have some fun with it. What I mean by that, you can actually save the apps that you use the most and the configuration too. So have some Twitter up here, some YouTube, some Telegram, and look at the room you have. All 3 apps on there at one time. So when you are multitasking on here, this thing is a beast for sure. Even if you want to get rid of one app, you just slide this down, and now you have Twitter and YouTube. What other phone does it like that and makes it look that great? So multitasking on the Fold 3, yeah, there's nothing like it. I mean, come on now. It's amazing. And the last thing I want to talk about is just the overall build. I think I mentioned it too before. It's just, it goes from a regular phone right there, to this. And I'm not scared about the hinge breaking, not scared about opening and closing it too much, because it's built like a rock and it's not as fragile as I thought it would be. You know, I thought I would have to baby this thing. I thought I would have to be really careful with the main screen. And I really treat it like a regular phone. So the overall build, the way that the technology is going on this phone is just amazing. Think about it. It will be hard to go back to this phone every single day. If I wasn't a reviewer, how can you go back to this? I just don't know. If you made it this far also, I think folding phones are the future. I think a lot of companies are going to get away from this one. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. I could be totally wrong, but this phone will change your life. To all my friends out there, creators or not, that say that the Z Flip is more usable than this phone, I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with y'all head, but that is your opinion. But this phone is a beast. If you want to pick up the Z Flip, fine, go ahead and do it. But if you want the best technology, something a little bit different from a phone to a tablet, the Z Fold 3 is where you should be at. This thing is a beast for sure. Speakers are good, cameras are good, the display is amazing. Battery life has been really good on it. Like I said, I did that dark mode. I also went ahead and turned off always on display and just have it when I tap on it. Works great, saves battery life. So overall, I'm really enjoying the phone a lot. If you have the Galaxy Z Fold 3, let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. What you're enjoying about it, what you don't like about it. Have you returned it already? Let me know. Like I said, we have friendly discussions in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out, y'all. Have a great day.